Hi, I'm Cosmic Scowl, the developer behind the PSBBN Definitive Project. I wasn't planning to make another update video, but here we are. Think of this as a supplementary update to my previous video, and you can watch that here. In my previous video, I introduced the Game Selector. It allowed you to select which games appear in the PSBBN game collection and browser. Today I'm introducing Game Selector version 2. Not only does it allow you to manage your games, it now allows you to manage your homebrew apps. Another feature that's been requested by a lot of users is the ability to customize the order of categories in the game collection. With Game Selector version 2, you can now rearrange them however you like. If you want your PS1 games to be displayed before your PS2 games, click the up arrow icon to move the category up. Want your launchers to be displayed first? Click the up arrow icon to move them up too. Just as before, you can hide items from the game collection and browser by unchecking them. You can click this icon to check or uncheck every item in a category. You might want to hide certain games, for example the second disc of multi-disc games. When you're happy with your selection, click Confirm. You now have full control over how your library is organised. In my previous video, I introduced a feature that let you store PS1 games on the exFAT partition. There's no longer a need for a separate POPs partition. With all your games and homebrew now stored on exFAT, this simplifies the setup process while also providing much more storage space for PS1 games. To launch PS1 games, you now need to install the ATA BDM Assault drivers on your PS2 memory card. Some users found the manual installation process difficult, but there's now a much simpler method. Just insert a PS2 memory card, launch POPs Loader, and start any PS1 game. The required drivers will be automatically installed. Once the installation process is complete, you'll be able to launch PS1 games directly from the game collection and browser. In other news, OSDMenu has been updated to version 1.3.0. This brings additional features and enhancements to both OSDMenu MBR and HOSDMenu. PSBBN now boots faster, shaving off around 2 seconds when booted from an SSD, and considerably faster than that on a hard drive, as it no longer spins down at startup before spinning up again to launch PSBBN. Additional gamepad launch keys are now also supported. All buttons except L3 and R3 can be assigned to launch an application at startup. This is great news, as the PSBBN Definitive Project's default boot options used up all the previously available buttons. You can assign apps to these newly available buttons with the updated version of R3 configurator that is now also included. You can find the full changelog for OSDMenu on its GitHub page. In translation news, Emetels has fully translated the project's README into Brazilian Portuguese, making the project even more accessible. If you can help translate the README into one of the currently supported or soon to be supported languages, please get in touch. The README currently needs a French, German, Hungarian, Italian, Japanese, Spanish, Russian and Dutch translation. You can also help to translate the complete PSBBN Definitive Project to your native language. There will be a link in the description with details on how to join the translation team. And that's about it, just a quick update this time. You can find the full release notes on the GitHub page along with an updated README. Special thanks to everyone who contributed to my Ko-fi. If you appreciate the work I'm putting into this project and would like to show your support, you can contribute to my Ko-fi too. You will find a link in the description and the pinned comment. If you would like to help this project in other ways, you will find all the links you need in the description. If you want to keep up to date with the latest developments, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Twitter, Blue Sky or Ko-fi. As always, all links will be in the description. But for now, this is Cosmic Scale signing out.